So, you've done it. You've built an incredible AI model. It's a masterpiece of code, data, the whole shebang. But right now it's kind of trapped, isn't it? So how do you get it out of that folder on your computer and into the hands of real users? Well, that's what we're going to cover today. That final, absolutely crucial step of building and running your AI application.
Now, we've all been there. You've got this brilliant piece of tech, but as it stands, it only exists for you. It's like you're putting on an amazing show, but for an audience of just one. The real magic, the real impact, that happens when you share it with the world. The big question is, how?
Well, the answer lies in a process that we call deployment. And I want you to think of this as the journey your AI takes, going from just a bunch of code on your machine to a living, breathing application that people can actually use and interact with.
You know, a bridge is the perfect way to think about it. It's what connects your isolated little creation to this vast world of potential users. Seriously, without that bridge, your model's basically an island. But with it, it becomes part of the mainland, and suddenly it's accessible to everyone.
So, to put a formal name on it, this whole bridge building process is called AI deployment.